We're not teaching you any secrets, but along with local anglers, we'll highlight the lakes and their surroundings for your great fishing getaway. Let's drop a line and see what we hook. A breeze, a boat, blue skies, and a fishing rod. It doesn't take much more than that to make Tom a happy angler, especially on Houghton Lake. After stopping at the local bait shop, he was anxious to see if the handmade lures, made especially for Houghton Lake, will do the trick. Let's wait and see if Tom is going to end up working for his dinner.
Oh, there it is. That's nice. Nice.